आप टेंशन लेने वीडियो की। अच्छा जी, आंसर इज, चलें, गुड। ओके जी, लेट्स लर्न द अनदर टॉपिक दैट इज नोट डाउन द असाइनमेंट टॉपिक।
सर असाइनमेंट अभी तो सबमिट किया है सर ये रोज सर कितनी है अभी तो दिए है
12.6 12.8 the two
ओ सर ये हमारे से
2 and 8 12.6 and 12.8. Okay, next we talk about the expected number of orders. How many number of orders you would get in a year? So it is D, that is the total demand divided by optimum order quantity. So you will get how many orders you would get. For example, 5 orders per year, 6 orders per year, 10 orders per year, you would get it. Next is expected time between orders. What is the time between orders? Like 50 days, 100 days, 10 days, whatever it is. So you see over here, Sharp Incorporation has a 250-day working year. Working year is very important. I will be mentioning what is the working day. ठीक है, working day is important. So 250-day working year and wants to find the number of orders and the expected time between orders. Number of orders and the expected time between orders. So the formula is N equals to demand divided by order quantity. This is the formula of number of orders. Note it down. Number of orders. N equals to demand divided by order quantity. Order quantity is the EOQ. याद रखिए, EOQ. Yes. Not the not the ordinary quantity. It is the economic order quantity. So what is the answer now with the 200 EOQ? Shabash, very good. So 5 orders per year, you will get the 5 orders per year. Now you have to take out the expected time between orders. The formula is number of working day per year divided by expected number of orders. Whatever answer was there, ठीक है, whatever answer you have got, divided by capital N. Number of working day divided by capital N, the marker. Number of ठीक है जी, तो ये फॉर्मूला है इसका सिंपल. तो यू विल गेट टू नो व्हाट इज द आंसर. 50 days. So 50 days between every order. So total you would, attention please, you will have to order 5 times in a year. And what is the time between every order? 50 days. It is the time between orders. It is T, capital T. 50 days. Done?
yes sir.
Any ambiguity? Anything which is unclear? Solve it, hurry up. With the same data and a few changes. ये 5 is equal. 5 is equal. D equals to 1200. The demand is changed from 1000 to 1200. T and N.
सर 219 से करेंगे 200 से, क्योंकि 1200
200 219 तो वो खाली था, सवाल था। 200 is the real data. So that was only for learning.
सर 6 आ गए एंड 2 आ गया।
और T क्या आया? What is T?
41.6
41.6
45.6। इसका मतलब है आपने 5.48 डाला है। एन क्या है आपका? नहीं तो आपने पूरा 6 डाला है ना, पूरा 6 नहीं, 5.48।
219 अगर डाल दो ना, वो जो 1200 वाली क्वांटिटी
219 नहीं, 200 डाला है ना,
219 पे वाला आंसर आ रहा है 5.48।
219 पे। ठीक, सही,
लैंड हो जाती
ठीक है। एनी क्वेश्चन सो फार?
नो सर
ओके, लेट्स एंड दिस सेशन।